Good morning, y'all. Happy Tuesday. It is 4:53 in the morning. Me and Morgan are up and we're about to go to the gym. I'm bringing a Cosmic Stardust energy drink, and I'm gonna have a little Nutri-Grain bar as my pre-workout snack, just something quick. Of course, bringing my favorite headphones. I can have those linked for y'all. Water bottle, and then let me show you my little workout gym fit. So I've just got this shirt, which is from Target. I loved an oversized t-shirt, and then I just tuck it in the back, and I have these like V-shaped leggings, and we're gonna hit arms today, probably back and biceps. I don't want to do legs until tomorrow because I'm not ready to be that sore, like that kind of leg sore. I feel like I need to stretch this hip out a little, but we're about to hit the gym, and yeah, I'll try to get some footage and see you guys after. Hey y'all, so back from the gym. I couldn't get footage today. It was actually kind of crowded. I mean, crowded in terms of the gym that we go to, which is never crowded. Usually when I go, there's like maybe 3 to 5 other people in the gym at the time. Today there was probably 10 or 15 people total, like still not a lot, but definitely busier than usual. I was telling Morgan that, and he was like, yeah, it's probably like the back to school crowd. So parents that switch their schedules, you know, for the school year and stuff. So that would make sense because school down here did start this week. I'm about to prep breakfast. Oh, by the way, we did back and buys. Like I was saying, I didn't get any footage. I did 3 sets of bicep curls, 10, I think, or no, 8 with 15-pound weights. And then I did hammer curls. I did one at a time because I feel like hammer curls, I don't know, I like to do them one at a time. So I did each side 3 times, 8 each, and I did 15 on the first one, and then I bumped it down to 12 and a half because I was really struggling to get past like 5. So I bumped down to 12 and a half and finished out with 8 on all of them. And then went over to the like pull down machine and did the lat pull downs. 3 sets of those at 60 pounds. And I did 8 of those as well, I think 8 or 10. And then I did do triceps. I just like to work in triceps, so I did the tricep pull downs. I pretty much will do triceps no matter what upper body day it is. So did those 2. I wanted to get on the row machine thingy, but a guy was on it like the whole time. Me and Morgan were switching off, and then we did the tricep thing, and he was still on it, and so we just left. And there wasn't enough treadmills for the both of us. So we came home and took Chancey on a dark morning walk, and he loved it. So that was fun. And now I'm gonna prep some lunch. So I'm gonna make a little like turkey wrap thing with these Atoria's mini lavash flatbreads. These are 60 calories. You can get the really big ones that are also 60 calories by Joseph's brand. I really like this brand though, and that is just what I picked out this week. I also have some turkey. This is just like mesquite smoked, my store brand. I also have some lettuce, which I need to make sure is still, yeah, it's kind of on its last leg here, but it'll be fine. It's still pretty crunchy. I'm gonna do lettuce, a little bit of mayo, and some of the Northern Light Italian on the lettuce. So that should be really good. It's kind of a Felicia Keithley thing where she mixes the mayo and the Italian and puts it on the lettuce. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put some cherry tomatoes on the side along with some carrots and my homemade ranch. So let's go ahead and whip that up right now. I got some new meal prep containers. So I got these 2 compartment ones. They just have these white lids. I'll link them for you below. They're glass with a plastic lid. And then I actually got a 6-pack of these little jars. They come in all different colors. And I just like these better than the silver ones I was using, or the like metal ones, because they hold more. So I'm gonna put my ranch dressing in there. Using the Hellmann's light mayo. Just gonna do about a tablespoon. And the Ken's Steakhouse Light Northern Italian. 50 calories for 2 tablespoons. This is 35 calories per tablespoon. I'll just call that 2. I feel like that's close enough. I'm gonna add in some lettuce. Probably should have mixed it before I put the lettuce in, but it's fine. This has about 1.8 ounces of turkey on it. So there's 1. Got little pieces. Okay, so got my little roll-ups right there. Okay, y'all, I washed a couple cherry tomatoes, and I'm also gonna have some carrot sticks. I need to probably put these in water to store, but this is my homemade ranch. I can show you how to make it. It's just equal parts yogurt, cottage cheese, then you add some ranch powder. And you can thin it out. I do mine kind of thick, like a dip, and then when I want to use it for like salad dressing, I just thin it out with water or milk. And I'm gonna measure mine in grams. And just add as much as I want. I think that's 20, 34 grams. Wrong thing. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and store these carrots in water so they stay nice and fresh. Okay, finished lunch with the ranch. Okay, I also washed some grapes. I just put away the rest, and I'm gonna pack some up. I don't know if I'm gonna bring the whole vine. All right, y'all, so I've got the grapes in here, the wrap, an energy drink, some veggie straws, a sparkling water, and a Go Macro bar. Honestly, I just don't like those egg bites, so I'm not gonna take them today. But I'm bringing all this. My Stanley with water is already in the car. I'm sorry I didn't even show it, but I just made my iced coffee. This is just a double espresso pod with the Fairlife protein. Y'all have seen it in a lot of videos lately. I was Marcoing with some friends. Hello. So I'm gonna grab that. Hutchie's on the counter per usual. And let me show you try to show you my outfit. So I'm wearing this little like denim dress from Amazon. I love it. And I just have some brown sandals on. I didn't like it with the mules actually, and I was gonna wear a headband, but I felt like it was giving like kindergarten a little too much, not like day at the office, so I took the headband off. And yeah, we are running out of time, so let's race to the office, and I'll show y'all what I eat today. All right, y'all, for dinner tonight, I just whipped up some mashed potatoes. We like to just use these like easy ones, so the Idahoan 4 cheese. And then I also used my store brand andouille sausage and some frozen green beans from Trader Joe's. Whoop. So there is the sausage. We seasoned it. Oops, sorry. We seasoned it with some Tony's, just like a Cajun seasoning. And then the green beans, you could do the same seasoning. I actually did garlic pepper and a little bit of olive oil spray and a little bit of salt. Sorry, the oven just finished, but that is gonna be dinner tonight. This is really a combo we do often and we love it. It's super easy. I started cooking, like it took me less than 5 minutes to slice a sausage and get that put in the oven. Takes less than 5 minutes for the potatoes, and then the frozen green beans and sausage. The sausage isn't frozen, but that just cooked for 20 minutes at 425 and it's ready to go. You ready for a plate, babe? Yeah, please. All right, we've got our plates made up. There's Morgan's, here is mine, and we're about to watch Righteous Gemstones. We're on the season finale of season 3, so we're gonna load that up right now and have some dinner. All right, finishing off the night. I'm so glad we still have one of these left, but I'm gonna have the peanut butter dark chocolate nut kind bar. These are 180 calories. They taste like frozen Snickers. I'm obsessed, so this is how I'm ending my night.